A day in a life as a computer science student.
Hello everyone! Samahan niyo ako papunta school at sa mga ganap ko for today. Early in the morning, papunta na akong building. Outfit chic siya. Little did she know, she's too early. 8 papasok na, 7 nandun na siya. So dahil nga ang aga ko, pumunta ako sa kantin at nagtambay. While nasa kantin, I did my assignments. Nagmuni-muni habang naghihintay na klase. So dahil nga 8 na, punta na ako sa classroom. We're waiting for our instructor na lang. Bungad agad ang bagan no? So dyan, nakikinig na lang kami sa ng instructor namin for the midterm requirements namin sa embedded.
We're heading to our next class.
Yeah. So, first subject is done. So, obviously, pupunta na kami sa second subject namin, which is the object-oriented programming. So, dyan, naghihintay na lang kami kay sir. Nandiyan na si sir, pero nakalimutan niya. So, bubalik siya. So, ayun, konting chika. Gumagawa na kami ng activity dyan, which is yung the assignment that I mentioned earlier, which is the family tree. So, here, pauwi na kami because tapos na yung klase and dalawa lang yung subject namin for morning and later the afternoon is dalawa lang rin. So, afternoon class na, which is PE, and after that is in-trip 1 namin. So, ayun na nga, gabi na. Kasi 7 yung out ng last subject namin. So, that's all for today. Thank you for watching!